So when opener starts their initial bid, one of a suit, one club, one diamond, one heart, or one spade, their range is huge, 13 to 21 total points. And responder, being the decider, has to ask themselves, how high do we want to play? In other words, do we want to play in part score? Do we want to play in game bonus? Do we want to play in slam bonus? And to determine the answer to that question, they need more information from the opener. They need an opener to take that 13 to 21 total points and narrow it down. And the opener's rebid does just that. We're going to be chopping that 13 to 21 total point range into different ranges, narrower ranges, based on the shape of the opener's hand. And that's why in the modern hand evaluations, I made such a big deal of recognizing your shape. In fact, the homework from that class was to go back, and each time you played bridge, before you counted your high card points, I wanted you to look at the shape of your hand, because the shape has to do with which ranges you're going to use. So I want to do a quick review of the idea of the shape of the hand, and the shape of the suits. And then we're going to dive into all the different ranges. So this is just an interesting fact page. There are 39 possible distributions. Now, everybody at the table, the opener, the intervener, the responder, the advancer, they all have these shapes. We're going to be sitting in opener's chair for this class, and so we're going to be talking about opener's shape throughout the class, because the opener's shape is what's going to determine the range in which the opener rebids. So we have some of our favorites. We have our thumbs up shape, 4-4-3-2. We have our death shape. We don't like that. Our death shape, 5-3-3-2. And then our ugly duckling shape, 4-3-3-3. Those are our three balanced hands. Okay, and balanced hands are going to have their own set of ranges. Then we have our two suited hands, 5-4-3-1. These are two suited. And 5-4-2-2, two suited. Those are going to have their own set of rebid ranges. And then we have single suited, meaning you've got one long suit, single suit. And that's 6-3-2-2, 6-4-2-1, 6-3-3-1, right? All of these are called single suited unbalanced hands.